Hello, true learners. I am Arya, and in this session, um, we can say from this session we are going to start a new chapter. Before that, tell all of you that how are you feeling right now? You might be feeling sad, like this crying emoji. You might be feeling happy like this sun. You might be enjoying True Learners lesson. You might be enjoying True Learners video and wearing the headsets. You are very happy. Like this, you are like neutral one, and you are not getting like this emoji set. But you choose happy, cool, less happy, annoying happy, very happy, extreme happy, and a little bit happy. So tell us in the comment section how are you feeling right now, or how are you feeling while we're seeing this video. So in See, Think and Wonder, so see, I'll just first tell you we're gonna do an activity in which we have to do the activity is see, think and wonder. In this see means what do you see, whatever I'll show you, what do you see, you have to write or you have to just keep it in your mind. Think, what do you think is going on, and wonder means what does it make you wonder. So let us start. So first one is observe the picture given on the slide. Next slide, you'll get a next slide and you have to see that, observe that, then you have to tickle your brain and answer that dog. And then golden rule is write it in the space in front your name of your name only. Like you're gonna make a dogs, or you can make on a paper, write your name and start doing it. What do you see here? I'm gonna give you like 5 seconds. Okay, 5 seconds are over. Now you're gonna tell me that what did you see here? Yes, you saw a great desert in a picture. You might think that you saw a desert, you saw a sand dune. Then in the next picture you saw ice and cold area. And what did you thought when you just saw the picture? What thought came in your mind? Wow, I want to go in this area. I want to go and play there. And in the wonder, you might wonder that why ma'am is giving so different picture. One is very very hot and one is very very cool. So what can you see? Like, is there something common between this both? Think. Is there something common between this both? The hot area and the cold area, does it has this picture has anything common? What do you think? Is there something common? Yes, it is. What it is? It is deserts. Deserts? Ma'am, cold region also is known as desert? Not every cold region is known as a desert. There are 2 types of desert which we will know afterwards. But let me first tell you the definition of desert. You should get that what's desert. It is an arid, or we can say it's an arid region characterized by extreme high or low temperature and has scarce vegetation. So it does mean that it might have a very high temperature, or it might have a very down to earth, or we can say very low temperature. And the place where very low rainfall is there, or even not there, like you can see in the cold desert, means in Arctic or Antarctic region, you might see only 10 to 15 centimeters rain there. So you might see that how extreme it is. It's very extreme for animals to live there. So what's a desert? We'll know it again. These are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation, and extreme temperatures. Thus, deserts may be hot or cold. Now, a Sahara hot desert. So, Sahara is the world's largest desert and has an area of 8.54 million square foot, touching 11 countries, which are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Nigeria, Sudan, Tunisia, and Western Sahara, including vast range of sand. The Sahara also has gravels, plains, and elevated plateaus with bare rocky surfaces that cold up to 2,500 meters high. Now let's see what's the climate there. The Sahara has a scorching hot and parched dry climate with a cloudless and clear sky and a very short rain season. The moisture in the deserts evaporates faster than it accumulates. So, days are extremely hot. Those high temperature heat up the sand and the bare rocks, which in turn radiate heat and make everything around them hotter. Nights in deserts might be freezing cold, with temperatures dropping to 0 degree. This is a picture where the area you can see in a kind of a skinny part or skinny color. It's Sahara Desert. So Sahara Desert we saw in Algeria, Western Sahara, Mauritania, Mali, Nigeria, Chad, Sudan, Egypt, and Libya. So tell me you can get a question in your exams that tell the countries which has. Oh yeah, even we have here. Okay, so let me tell you this. Yeah. So you can get in the exam that which are the countries wholly covered with deserts. So you are going to first write Libya, then Egypt. Okay. You're gonna write Somali. You're gonna write Eritrea. Okay, you're gonna write this only because Algeria is also not fully covered. You can see this part is not covered there. Now let's see flora and fauna there. Vegetations mostly include cactus, acacia, and date palms. Date palms means khajur. Okay, date means khajur. There are also some oases, that is green island with date palms. Then surrounding them, animals found in Sahara are camels, hyenas, jackals, fox, scorpions, and many variety of snake and lizards. Now, how the people live there? Despite its harsh climate, the Sahara is inhabited by many groups of people such as the Bedouins and Tuareg. The rare animals like goats, sheep, camels, horses, etc. for milk and hide and flesh. The hides are used to make leather for belt, sleepers, and water bottles, and hairs for mats, carpets, clothes, and blankets. They wear heavy robes to protect themselves from dust storms and hot winds. People live around the oases in Sahara and in the Nile Valley where water is available, and they grow date palms. Crops such as wheat, rice, barley, and beans are also grown in Sahara. And the world famous Egyptian cotton is grown in Egypt. The discovery of oil in Algeria, Libya, and Egypt, and of minerals like iron, phosphorus, magnesium, and uranium have transformed from the economy of the Sahara to a great extent. The culture landscape of the Sahara is changing rapidly, with gleaming glass cased building rising above mosques, and superhighways crisscrossing ancient camels' paths. Trucks are replacing camels, in the salt trade, and the Thorax guide to rest in the desert. Many nomadic herdsmen are moving to and settling down in cities to find job in oil and gas companies. We will know Ladakh in our next video in part 2. Till that, take care and bye bye.